Hey, Robin here from Let's Automate It, AI and automation for non-techies, and today we're diving into a quick tip. If we look here into our community, we have a dedicated tips channel, and inside the tips is one of my favorite ones here, creating professional headshots with Gemini. Now, having a headshot is important for LinkedIn, for social media, for your website, etc. And definitely go and support photographers, go and get it done. But if you're in a bind, you've got to get it done quickly, and you're on a budget, well, let's do it together. It's really easy. So let's have a look at this post here. What is it saying? It's saying we're going to head over to Gemini and we're going to toggle on create images, and then we're going to upload a selfie and then paste in this prompt. So let's go ahead and do that together quickly. I'm just going to grab this prompt so it's in my clipboard, and I've taken a bunch of selfies already, which I'm going to upload to Gemini. Now, I'm not sure if this will work with other LLMs, but what we do know about Gemini is that it has access to 𝘮𝘭𝘵𝘪, which, depending on who you ask, might be the best image generating model out there. So let's not overthink it. Let's go and jump into Gemini here. And here we are. So we want to click on create image. And here we are, and I am going to go and upload the selfies. Now, I think one selfie will do the job. I don't think you need a host, but I did actually take 4. My rationale, my thinking here was if it's got more versions of me, it might be able to do a better job. So let me grab all of these and we'll upload them. Now, what did I take? Well, you'll see them now on the screen, but I took one of me facing forward, to the left, to the right, and I tilted my head a little bit just to give it some angle. I didn't overthink it, and I just took these right before doing these videos. So now down here, let's go and pop in our prompt there. Transform my selfie into a fresh but professional image suitable for a social media profile. The lighting should be natural, flattering, and multi-dimensional. My head is slightly tilted so it doesn't look stiff, and it should look like I'm in a modern, bright office with a blurred background. Now, you could probably work on this, but let's go with this tip. And let's just see what we get. I want to push go. Let's see what happens. So it's passing it over now to 𝘮𝘭𝘵𝘪, I believe. And there we go. It's loading 𝘮𝘭𝘵𝘪 2. It's taking these variations of me. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, there we have it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me zoom in a little bit there. Fantastic. I got to say that is pretty much me. Wrinkles and all. There's the beard. The only thing it hasn't really got is, of course, I really don't wear business clothes. So a blazer and the collared shirt is not me. But I guess for a professional headshot, this would be a good one to use. And I'm sure I could go back with the prompt and get it to put me into more clothing that is suitable to who I am. Maybe I could ask it to zoom in a bit more so it's head and shoulders and not just this bigger vision, so it kind of can crop a little bit better. But useful tip. If you want more tips and tricks, come and join us in the Let's Automate It community. In the description of this video down below, there are links. If you're starting out with AI, if you're starting out with automation for yourself to make your life better, your business better, or just to change your career, come and join us at Let's Automate It and we'll help you do just that. Until next time, I will catch you later.